Hello, my mathematicians. Today we are looking at Module 14, Lesson 5, which is all about subtracting decimals. Hopefully by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to use a written method and strategies based on place value to subtract decimals. So it says, Santiago is at the store with his brother. He reads the total for his purchase on the cash register and realizes that he has only $4.73. His brother pays the difference. How much does Santiago's brother pay? Use the chart to help you solve the problem. Write the number in the chart so that the lesser number is subtracted from the greater number. Line up the place values. So we have $6.29 minus $4.73. So we're going to subtract the hundreds. 9 minus 3 is 6. 2 minus 7, we can't do that, so we need to regroup. The 6 becomes a 5. The 2 becomes a 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. So how much does Santiago's brother pay? He pays $1.56. So it says, how is the written method you use in your chart related to using base 10 blocks or quick pictures to subtract decimals? Well, in the written method, I used the columns in the chart to line up the place values. This helps me subtract the hundredths tenths and ones. When I use quick pictures to subtract, I use dots to subtract hundredths, sticks to subtract tenths, and squares to subtract ones. So Miss Gomez goes to the butcher shop to buy 17 5/10 ounces of chicken for a dinner party. She looks at the weight of the chicken that the butcher has put on the scale. How much more chicken does the butcher need to put on the scale? Just use the chart to help you solve the problem. Write the numbers in the chart so that the lesser number is subtracted from the greater number. Line up the place values. So we have 13 and 68 hundredths. Oops, sorry. Larger number has to go on top. So we have 17 and 5/10 minus 13 and 68 hundredths. So I can put a placeholder of a 0 there. And that answers the question, what do you need to do to keep place values aligned when subtracting? I need to write 17 and 5/10 as the equivalent decimal 1750, 17 and 50 hundredths. And this is not a second decimal point, it's a period. Because I know that can get confusing. Okay, so we're going to subtract. 0 minus 8. We can't do that, so the 5 becomes a 4, and 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 4 minus 6, can't do that. 7 becomes 6. 4 becomes 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. 6 minus 3 is 3. Then we have 0, so bring down a decimal point. We have $3, or not $3, 3 and 82 hundredths ounces. So 3 and 82 ounces more. Oops. And that is all for today's daily math. I hope that not daily math, that's all for today's lesson. I hope that you are now able to use a written method and strategies based on place value to subtract decimals. And remember, in order to be a math person, all you have to do is be a person and do math.